Facts about space that will blow your mind. Space is completely silent, so all of those explosions you see in the Star Wars movies would make absolutely no noise at all. There are footprints on the moon that will stay there for a few million years. The distance between the Earth and the moon is so big that you could fit every planet within our galaxy between the two of them. Finally, time in space is different than time on Earth. For example, if you traveled at the speed of light for 5 years in space and then went back to Earth, your friends would already be 50 years old, though you only aged 5 years.